Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Deepole School. So today we continue our chapter of standard 4, the unit 2 in animal life of chapter 3 animals and their young ones. So here we already learn about some what is reproduction and animals that lay eggs, and after that we are going to learn the structure of an egg. So here you can see this one is the structure of an egg. So here you can see this one is the structure of an egg, and the main structure of the egg are the egg cell, which one is a hard cell, and the next one which protects the growing baby bird, and after that this one is known as the embryo, and the embryo is constitute of white and yellow part. The white part is known as albumin and the yellow part is known as yolk. Okay, so within the egg, the embryo goes through various stages of development. The embryo develops only when it kept in a warm condition. So the mother bird sits on the egg and provides warmth to it. So in a few days, the egg hatches and the baby bird comes out, just like the hen. You can see here the hen is developed. The hen is give hatches the eggs, and after that the eggs are developing into the young ones, that is chicks. So the egg of a hen hatching in 20 to 21 days. Then you can see here this one is a frog, and the frog is also goes through a process or life cycle to give birth a baby frog. So a frog lays its eggs in the water, and the eggs are developing into the tadpole larva which comes from the egg. It lives in the water so that it can also swims like a fish. So it undergoes several changes and becomes an adult frog. So this whole process is the life cycle of the frog, and this is comes from egg, tadpole and adult frog. Okay, so after that we are going to learn about the fish. So a fish also lays thousands of eggs in the water. The baby fish come out from the eggs after some time. Other animals like snakes, lizards, and turtles lay eggs in the holes in the ground. The eggs get warmth from the sun and hatches its baby. You can see here a snake with the eggs, and a lizard with the eggs, and a turtle with the eggs. Insects also lay eggs, students. So let us know about the butterfly, which changes into an adult. So the butterfly first hatches a larva, first it hatches a egg, and the egg is becomes form a larva, and after that the from the larva the butterfly is comes out, and the larva of the butterfly is known as caterpillar. So the larva is eats the leaves and grows. You can see here the life cycle of a butterfly. First the butterfly gives first the butterfly hatches the egg, and after that the egg becomes turns into the larva, that is caterpillar, and after that the larva eating the leaves, and then that becomes grows into the adults. So, like butterflies, the larva of housefly is known as maggot, and the larva of cockroach is known as nymph, and the mosquitoes lay in dirty water, which the when the eggs hatch, you can see them drilling in the water. Then it forms a covering and builds a cocoon around itself. Which one? The butterfly. So this one is known as pupa. You can see in the above structure, this one is known as the pupa. The pupa sheds its skins many times, and this is known as mounting. Okay, so finally the pupa bursts often, and butterfly comes out of it and flies away. Animals that give birth to babies. Humans are mammals. So why we can say human being are mammals? And what about the calf feeding on the mother's milk and puppies feeding on their mother's milk? So here we learn the animals that feeding on their mother's milk, or we can say after giving the birth of the child, the mother is give or feeding her milk to its baby, and this process is done by the mammals, and these animals are also known as mammals. So like cat, dog, lion, elephants, deer, monkey, and rabbits and horses are mammals. You can see here a lion with a cub, and a horse with a pony, and a kangaroo with a baby. So most of animal have hair on their bodies. The mother feeds its young ones with one own milk. So all mammals look after their young ones until they are old enough to take care of themselves, and your parents also take care of yourself. So the young one of a kangaroo is called age, the jay, and remains in the pouch in the mother's body for 7 to 10 months. The duck-billed platypus and echinida are mammals, but they lay eggs. The animal world is an amazing one. So we also learn some interesting facts about the reproduction. So what we can learn, students? What is reproduction? The process by which a living being produces more of its own kind is known as reproduction. What is embryo? The growing baby inside an egg is known as embryo. And what is tadpole? A young frog is known as tadpole. What is larva? Caterpillar stage of a butterfly is known as larva. And what is pupa? The caterpillar with the cocoon around itself is known as pupa. Mounting. The process of settling the skin is known as mounting. So now we recall the whole part. So here you can recall by own and do the exercise and check your progress. Thank you. See you in next class, students.